Okay, so now we're going to take a quick look inside the engine bay here. The first thing you're going to see is the Takumi Master Craftsman badge. There's only 4 of these men that build these engines at the Yokohama plant. Mine happens to be Nobumitsu Gozu. You'll notice the NISMO specific engine cover, and immediately noticeable is the NISMO spec coolant reservoir tank that I believe this is the same one found on the Spec V, as well as a different rated cap. What you won't see are the larger turbos that are straight off the Spec V model and currently used in the GT3 model. These contribute to the 600 horsepower rating, and things to accompany that are a more aggressive ignition timing and a larger fuel pump.